Mate, I have a question for you. What is your name?
What is your name?
My name?
Is Matas Peter.
How old are you?
3.
3. What's your favorite color?
Violet.
Violet. How about animals? What's your favorite animals?
Alligator.
What's that?
Alligator.
Alligator.
Peter, Jelly. Let's do
What the opposite of long?
what?
What the opposite of long?
Opposite one.
Long opposite of long is short.
Short. Long and short.
What the opposite of big?
Big, small.
How about the opposite of thick? What the opposite of thick?
Take it back. Careful. Take away. Take away.
Mati boy, what the opposite of